Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Ever wondered how to share your epic mobile gaming moments with the world? Well, we've got you covered. In this quick guide, we'll show you how to seamlessly stream your mobile games on YouTube using MirrorTo. Let's dive in. Step 1. Mirror your mobile screen with MirrorTo. Download and install MirrorTo. Launch the app, select your phone's OS, and connect it to your PC. Connect your Android device to the PC via a USB cable and select Transferring Files. Enable USB debugging on your mobile. In your phone settings, tap on About iPhone. Next, select Software Information. Click on Build Number. Enable the USB debugging on your Android devices when USB is connected. Once your phone is mirrored on your computer, you're ready to go. Step 2. Initiate YouTube live stream. Visit the YouTube website and click on the icon in the top right corner. Choose Go Live. Step 3. Start your live stream on YouTube. Upon starting, you'll see your live stream key and URL. Copy these for the next step. Step 4. Stream your mobile game with MirrorTo. Go back to MirrorTo, click on Stream in the sidebar, then choose to Live Platform. Paste the stream key and URL you copied earlier. Step 5. Begin streaming. Click Start Streaming in MirrorTo. Your mobile screen will now be live on YouTube, ready to showcase your PUBG gaming skills. With MirrorTo, you can effortlessly share the excitement of your mobile gaming adventures in real time. So, what are you waiting for? Go ahead, start streaming, and let the gaming world witness your epic victories. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Happy gaming!